Hey guys, this is Corey Green. This is week 1 of our Java 2 class, and I am here to show you my project so far. For this week, basically I chose a weather API to pull from, and without further ado, let me show you what it does first. So I'm here in California, so I'm going to choose California City, so Chico. Hit the button, and basically it comes up with City, Chico, weather is clear, wind speed is 9.3 miles per hour. So let me give you a little rundown on what everything does so far. In my main activity, basically just creating my global variables up here. Nothing too fancy just yet. My onClick basically pulls the user's input and sends it to my JSON weather service class, and basically pulls from my API, which is right here, and the user input gets put in between the string and it gets sent out. Now one of the problems that I was having was my API was returning weird JSON data. I was having trouble parsing it and putting it into its own object and array. But I found a decent API that wasn't too crazy complex. So yeah, and then basically within my onClick, it gets sent to my file manager, which saves and retrieves the string, and basically that happens here. So, and I'm guessing that can be considered a singleton class, since you get the instance and there's only one instantiation of it. And I also wanted to create one instance of my web info, so that's that right there. So I decided to create a singleton class out of that. And my display data, which gets called on within my onClick, gets called right here, and basically this goes out and does all my parsing. So basically it goes into the string that gets returned from the file and creates an object and an array out of it, and I can actually pull the different elements from that and store them in a string, and that gets put into this an adapter, an array, and displayed to the screen. So let me get back to that. So that is what is displayed here. So let me do another area. Let's do San Jose. Button. And it gets updated. One of the issues that I thought I was going to have was the white space. I didn't know that I could actually do white space from the get-go, and I was doing single things like Chico or Sacramento, and I wasn't doing San Jose. So that cleared up one thing there. So let me go back to our questions. How do I feel about service versus async task? I like it. I think it's really cool. I didn't completely understand async task, but I do understand services. How does this lesson from week affect my outlook on Java? My outlook on Java has improved quite a bit. I didn't like it at first because it was so different from Objective-C, but I think I'm growing into it. I do think I'm going to like it. What would I do differently if I could? This project wasn't too difficult. I had actually taken this class beforehand and had to opt out of it for personal reasons, and so a lot of the knowledge was still there, and a lot of what I had previously done was still there. So there wasn't a whole lot different in this class. One thing I think I could have done differently was get started on it earlier. List a few things that could use more clarification. The different styles of JSON, I think, could be explained a little better. I was having a little difficulty with my other APIs, but overall I think it was all right. So that is my project for now. Hope you guys enjoyed. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.